Are you getting Roku error code 14.10? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Test your Wi-Fi network. You get Roku error code 14.10 when Roku cannot connect to the internet. See if other devices like phones, laptops can connect to your Wi-Fi. This helps confirm if the problem lies with the Roku or your overall network. You can check the internet speed on your PC or phone by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is slow, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Method 2. Restart the router or modem. Next, you can power cycle the router or modem. To do that, disconnect the router or modem from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem and check if this could fix the issue. Method 3. Restart your Roku. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary glitches. Unplug your Roku, wait a few seconds and then plug it back in. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Scroll and select Settings. Select System. Select Power. If you do not see a Power sub-menu, skip to the next step. Select System Restart. Once the system restarts, check if this could fix the issue. Method 4. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. You can also reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. From Settings, go to Network. Then select Setup Connection. Next, select Wireless. Wait till the scan completes. Now choose your network and type the password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Once done, select Connect. Method 5. Double-check your password. Ensure you are entering the correct Wi-Fi password for your network. Typos are a common culprit here. Consider simplifying your password by using only letters and numbers if you suspect complexity might be causing issues. Method 6. Switch to a different connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also shift to an Ethernet connection for a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 7. Contact Roku support. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be a more advanced problem. Contact Roku support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Roku error 14.10 and continue enjoying your streaming experience. And there you have it, the way to fix Roku error code 14.10. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.